Welcome to All Tech Queries, a solution for all your technical queries.
5G network is getting a lot of hype right now, and people want to get their hands on it as soon as possible. But most people don't even know what is 5G technology and how it works. Today we will be discussing everything about the new 5G network.
Please hit the like button and support us by subscribing our channel All Tech Queries.
In this video, we will discuss what is 5G technology, how does 5G work, advantages of 5G over 4G, disadvantages of 5G network, and the difference between 4G and 5G. We will also answer the most asked questions. What is 5G? 5G is the latest generation of networks after 2G, 3G, and 4G. The network speed keeps increasing by 5 to 10 times with each generation. But it's not just about the speed. 5G is much improved and superior technology than 4G. How does 5G work? 5G network uses a higher frequency, which ranges between 24 GHz to 90 GHz. But we have studied in our science class that higher frequency has a lower range. That applies in this case as well. That means 5G can be 10 to 15 times faster, but the range will be less compared to 4G. Advantages of 5G. We are comparing 5G with the previous generation 4G, to make better understanding. Launch date. 4G started rolling out around 2012. But it is still under development in several small towns. However, the majority of the world has adopted 4G technology. On the other hand, 5G is introduced 8 years later in the year 2020 and it still requires a lot of time to spread across the world. Speed. While 4G provides speeds up to 100 megabits per second, 5G network offers a speed of 1 gigabit per second, which is 10 times more than 4G. Moreover, the speed might also improve in the future. But it's not just about the speed, as 5G comes with lots of other features. Frequency. As we have mentioned before, 5G has a frequency between 24 GHz to 90 GHz. In comparison, the 4G used a frequency of around 6 GHz. Latency. In short, latency is the speed taken by the device to send and receive data. For example, if you press a button on your TV remote and the channel changes after 1 second, then the latency is 1 sec. While using 4G network, users experienced a latency of around 30 milliseconds to 100 milliseconds. However, 5G claims to have a latency of 1 millisecond or even less. Low latency will improve the speed and performance of manufacturing machines in industries and factories. Besides that, augmented reality and virtual reality applications will provide a better experience. Reduced latency means reduced ping. Now gamers can have a faster reaction time while playing competitive online games. It also improves cloud gaming. 5G is still in its initial stage, so people in the US are experiencing a latency of 25 milliseconds for now. However, when the technology is fully adopted, it will have a latency of 1 millisecond or even less. Connectivity. If you have noticed, there were connectivity issues with 4G in crowded places like stadiums, concerts, etc. because 4G network cannot handle all those devices at once. However, this will be changed when we switch to the 5G network. Machine-to-machine communication. With 5G technology, you can connect one or more 5G devices with each other. You can perform remote tasks like turning the lights on and off with your device, open the refrigerator door, operate washing machine and much more. Besides that, 5G is going to bring a huge impact on self-driving automated cars. If all the self-driving cars have 5G technology, they can communicate with each other, reducing the accident rate to zero. Moreover, doctors can perform remote surgeries on patients from other locations. It is not practiced with 4G technology because of the higher latency. As we said before, 5G is still in its initial stage, and we don't know its full capability yet. Can we get 5G updates on our devices? Some people think they would get a 5G update that will turn their 4G phones into 5G. No, that's not going to happen. Some mobile manufacturers may claim to offer it, but you won't be getting the real 5G network. It could be a software-improved 4G network. With a software update you can improve and upgrade your Android operating system. But 5G requires suitable hardware, and you cannot upgrade your hardware through a software update. Disadvantages of 5G. Everything has its pros and cons, so does 5G. Here are some of the drawbacks of 5G technology. Some of them can be improved over time, but some are permanent. Reduced range. The range will be reduced compared to 4G mobiles. 4G mobiles used to work even if there was one cell phone tower in a small town. But 5G doesn't have the same range. Therefore, network operators must place 5G towers or modules close to your location. Hence, in the upcoming days, you might see several 5G modules on street lights, traffic signal poles, electrical poles, etc. Hardware requirements. You cannot use the 5G network on your 4G devices. It means you must buy a new phone. But wait. Don't rush out to buy a new 5G phone yet. We will explain this in detail at the end of this video. Equipment and service cost. As 5G has a lesser range, we need to place 5G nodes at every junction. It would cost the government and mobile operators a lot of money. Therefore, to cover the expenses, they will charge the users with costly data plans. Time-taking process. It would still take a lot of time for 5G to be adopted all over the world. It is because the 5G nodes/towers need to be placed manually. And there should be lots of those on every street. Therefore, it might take several years for 5G to be established in small towns and cities. Danger to health. Most people believe that 5G can be harmful for our health because of the high frequency it uses. However, it hasn't been proved yet. Moreover, scientists indeed claim that even the highest 5G frequency can be considered safe. So, we cannot tell exactly until we start using it. Battery. The network technology is improving, but what about the battery tech? The batteries we use today won't be able to last long with the high-frequency waves. Even the people who bought 5G phones complain that the phones are heating up and the battery is draining faster. So, we need phones with improved batteries for 5G. So, should you start using 5G? 5G is still in its initial stage. Therefore, we suggest you wait for a few years before buying a 5G device. When 4G was released, it had several connectivity issues. Later, the LTE module of 4G was improved into VoLTE to improve the voice quality. Therefore, you must wait and let all the initial issues of 5G be fixed. We need to install 5G modules/nodes on all the towers manually. Therefore, it takes lots of human work. Hence, it would take a lot of time for the 5G network to be available in your locality. Moreover, the price of 5G phones is sky high right now. Hence, you don't have to buy the 5G phones yet. Later, you will get 5G phones at a cheaper price. Even if you get a 5G phone, you must have 5G network in your locality to use it.
Comment below and let us know your views on 5G network. If the video was helpful, like our video, and subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries, for more tech-related, informative videos, and how-to tutorials. Follow us on other platforms as well. Links in description. Thank you.